Hello kids, do you already have your English modules with you? Okay, we will start our week 2 lesson, all about letters. Okay, let's answer the pre-test. You write your name first and the date of today. Okay, the instruction. Encircle the letter of the correct answer. Which of the following is the small letter B? The one in letter A, the one in letter B, or the one in letter C? Number 2. Which of the following is the capital letter T? The one in letter A, the one in letter B, or the one in letter C? Number 3. Umbrella begins with blank. Okay, what letter? Letter A, letter B, E, letter C, U. Okay, number 4. Letter C is a blank letter. Letter A, consonant. Letter B, vowel. Letter C, none of them. Number 5. Which of the following is a right pair of big and small letter? The one in letter A, the one in letter B, or the one in letter C? Okay, are you done? Now let's proceed with letter B. The instruction is, write C on the blank if the letter is a consonant, and V if it is a vowel letter. Okay, let's start number 1. Letter L. So is letter L a consonant or a vowel? If it is a consonant letter, you write letter C. If it is a vowel letter, you write letter V. Okay, let's proceed to number 2. Letter U. Number 3, letter E. Number 4, letter F. Number 5, letter A. Number 6, letter I. Number 7, letter O. Number 8, W. Number 9, letter Z. And number 10, letter B. Are you done, kids? Very good. Our lesson 1 is about vowels. What do you need to know? At the end of the lesson, you will be able to identify the vowel letters from the alphabet, identify the beginning letters of the given picture, and match the capital vowel letter with its small letter. Okay, from our previous lesson, we have learned that people, animals, and objects around us produce sound. What kind of sounds do they produce? Very good. They produce loud and soft sounds. What's new? Can you sing the alphabet song? Okay, sing it.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, N, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Let's talk about it. Can you count the letters in the alphabet? Very good. How many are they? Yes, there are 26 letters in the alphabet. 5 of them are vowel letters. The vowel letters can be written in two ways: capital or big letters and small letters. These are the vowels. The first box are in capital letters: A, E, I, O, U. The next box are written in small letters: A, E, I, O, U. Each picture below begins with the vowel A, which sound as A, apple, A, anchor, A, ant, A, axe. Each picture below begins with the vowel E. The sound is E, egg, E, eggplant, E, elf, E, elephant. Now the letter I. Each picture below begins with the vowel I. The sound is I, I, ink, I, igloo, I, insects, I, injection. The letter O. Each picture below begins with the vowel O. The sound is O, O, octopus, O, ostrich, O, okra, O, orange. Now the vowel U. Each picture below begins with the vowel U. The sound is A, A, umbrella, A, underwear, A, upstairs, A, undershirt. Okay, let's do this. Activity number 1. Draw a line to match the capital letter with the small letter. Okay, these are all the vowel letters that we have studied. Can you say the sound of each letter? Very well. Okay, now you start matching the capital letter to its small letter. Now let's answer activity number 2. With what letter does each begin? Write the answers in capital letters on the blank. Okay, number 1. Umbrella begins with blank. Write your answer. Number 2. Egg begins with blank. Number 3. Octopus begins with blank. Number 4. Apple begins with blank. And number 5. Ink begins with blank. Good job! That's all for today. Lesson 2 will be discussed in the next video.